Today I'm making a simple banana pudding that's perfect for summer gatherings, potlucks, family dinners, or just because you have a few bananas on the counter that need to be used up. I always love recipes like this because they're easy to make ahead, they feed a crowd, and somehow they feel a little nostalgic too. So if you're looking for a dessert that comes together quickly and is always a hit, let's make this banana pudding together. First, I'll put together the pudding mixture. Whisk together 2 cups of milk and a box of instant vanilla pudding mix. After a minute or two, it starts to thicken. Then in a separate bowl, add 1 package of softened cream cheese and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Once that's well combined, I'll gently fold in half a container of thawed whipped topping. Now time for the layers. In a large serving dish, start with a layer of vanilla wafers across the bottom, then a layer of sliced bananas, and top that with the creamy pudding mixture. Finish it off with another layer of vanilla wafers across the top. I used 2 different kinds of vanilla wafers today to just use what I had on hand. Once it's assembled, I'll cover it and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. If you can make it the night before, that's even better because the flavors have more time to come together and the wafers will soften up a bit. This is one of those desserts that feels right at home at a backyard barbecue, a church supper, a family reunion, or just a quiet evening on the porch. The pudding is rich and creamy, the bananas add the perfect freshness, and the vanilla wafers soften into the most delicious cake-like texture. It's simple, comforting, and so delicious. Thank you so much for spending some time with me in the kitchen today. I hope this recipe gives you a little inspiration for your next gathering or family meal. I'll see you in the next one.